Hey guys, welcome to the video. I am back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve instant locks on myself using a crochet needle, which was a size 0.5. And I'm going to say first you want to start off by shampooing your hair and blow drying it, and you're gonna make your sections off to the desired size how you want your hair to be. So I kind of went with like a medium size because I really didn't want too many locks. So you're gonna start by section off your hair again, and as you twist your hair, like think of it as you're doing like a retwist, and you twisting your hair to the right, winding your hair. As you're winding your hair, you're going to be going through with the crochet needle, meshing your hair together. And as you keep going through, you're going to feel if there's weak spots or not. And if there are weak spots in your lock as you're meshing it together with the needle, you can always go back over this spot and kind of interlock the hair even more to make it tighter in that space, so it won't be so weak in the area, I would say. So I also want to say is you guys may see a lot of videos where people back comb the hair, which I found for myself that back combing did kind of make it a little bulky in areas in a lock where I stayed too long meshing the hair together with the crochet needle. So I found that if I just left my hair how it was from as I blow dried it and just started twisting it to the right, winding it up and going in with the crochet needle, it made it more better for me than far as if I was to back comb and then interlock, if you guys get what I'm saying. But you're going to see in the video how I am achieving my instant locks. And I do want to say after you get done, you should be able to freshly shampoo your hair if you have to. So that is what I did, just to see how the structure will maintain. After I did shampoo and my structure did stay intact, or whatever I would say. So yes guys, just watch the video, and if you have any comments, you can leave it down in the comment box below. I will be gladly here to answer any of you guys questions. Thanks for watching again. Enjoy the video.